A veterinary shortage is hitting the U.S., including right here in Colorado. A study found that without any solutions, the U.S. will have 15,000 fewer veterinarians than it needs by 2030.
And that would leave 75 million pets. That's a lot of pets without proper care. I sat down with a local organization trying its best to solve the problem.
So we have a severe veterinary workforce crisis.
Dr. April Steele with the Dumb Friends League says animals are suffering.
There's long wait times, whether it's routine or emergency. Veterinary hospitals aren't accepting new patients.
Steele says it boils down to many reasons: a shortage of workers in the veterinary industry and high cost of care, which a lot of pet owners can't afford. So many people like this man end up taking their pet to places like the Dumb Friends League Veterinary Hospital at CSU Spur, a donor-subsidized clinic that allows people in Denver, regardless of income, to get the care their pet needs. We spoke to this man who brought his dog in for allergy issues. He speaks Spanish, so we had his interview interpreted.
He said to take this location mainly because of economic status. It's affordable, and also if he's unable to pay, we have the availability to allow them to pay the next visit.
We are often the last stop for people. They've often, been priced out of care.
Lead veterinarian at the clinic, Eric Smith, says they sometimes have to turn away pet owners, and the burnout is real.
Whenever you have staffing shortages or anything, you can only see so many a day.
This problem is why the Vet Care Coalition is pursuing legislation that could help solve the veterinary shortage, creating a mid-level veterinary professional associate similar to a physician assistant in human medicine. That person would work under the supervision of a veterinarian, codify the availability of veterinary care by providing telehealth services, and expand the role of vet techs with additional training and credentialing.
Colorado is leading the way in this conversation, and we have great support to go ahead and move forward with doing this, but we can't do it without the help of pet owners and others saying that this is important to them. By doing that, we are opening up a whole new realm of people that can provide this care.
The Dumb Friends League says CSU is in the process of creating a mid-level professional associate program for veterinary students. However, they say they can't do it the right way without legislation. 2 lawmakers are working on an access to veterinary care bill. We will keep you updated on its progress.
And there is some hope on the horizon. Veterinarian salaries are starting to catch up with the cost of veterinary school. Let's take a look at the data from the American Veterinary Medical Association. In 2018, veterinary school debt topped $150,000. That same year, the average income was about $80,000. In 2022, veterinary school debt dropped to $130,000, and the average salary rose to just below $100,000.